Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is of the class 12th zoology. The topic is physical and chemical units of fertilization. In fertilization, it includes the pollen process. First, there is the acrosomal reaction. It says that after ovulation, the secondary oocyte it reaches the fallopian tube and the capsulated sperm. It undergoes the acrosomal reaction and release various enzymes or chemicals which are contained in the acrosome. Which are contained in the acrosome. These chemicals are quality called sperm license. These chemicals are collectively called sperm license. With that means the acrosome of the sperm it contains the enzyme which are called the sperm license. Sperm license these are, for example, hyaluronidase is an super important sperm license. We write here hyaluronidase. Important sperm license are hyaluronidase. If you remember it, important sperm license are hyaluronidase. This hyaluronidase it acts on the ground substance of hyaluronidase acts upon ground substance. This enzyme hyaluronidase acts upon the ground substance of follicle cells of follicle cells. Number first, these are the corona penetrating enzyme. Corona penetrating enzyme and that dissolves corona that dissolves corona radita, because if we go toward the structure of the ovum, this is the cytoplasm nucleus and this is the cytoplasm of the ovum, and this layer is this is called this plasma membrane, and this is the zona pellucida, the plasma membrane. After that, it contains the cells. These cells of the called corona radiata. Remember that the cell is present on the surface of the outer layer of the zona pellucida. These are called the corona radiata. Here this enzyme hyaluronidase it acts upon these corona radiata. It dissolves this corona radiata, and number second is zona lysine. Number second is zona lysine. This is the name of the second enzyme. One is the hyaluronidase, and second is the zonolysin or acrocin, or it is also called the acrocin, zonolysin or acrocin. We should remember here the two enzymes that penetrates, that dissolves carno radiata. This is the hyaluronidase, and the second enzyme is the zonolysin or acrocin that dissolves zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. We should remember here. After that, this we should remember here. Due to this acrosomal reaction, the plasma membrane of the sperm fuses with the plasma membrane of the secondary oocyte. In this acrosomal reaction, the plasma membrane of the sperm fuses with the it fuses with the plasma membrane of the secondary oocyte. Plasma membrane of the secondary oocyte. I already told you that during oogenesis there is the secondary oocyte, which is this is the mature womb, and here in this acrosomal reaction, the plasma membrane of the sperm it fuses the plasma membrane of the secondary oocyte, and so that the sperm contents enter the oocyte. In this here, the contents of the sperm enters the oocyte, such that the containers which are containers in the contents which containers in the sperm, they enter into the oocyte, and after that we say that so that binding of the sperm to the second oocyte. Here we say there is the binding of sperm with secondary oocyte. We should remember here first the hyaluronidase, the enzyme it digests this coronary radiata. After that, this is coronary radiata. After that, zona pellucida is dissolved by this zonolysin or acrolysine, and here the binding of the sperm with the secondary oocyte. Then there is the it induces the depolarization of the oocyte plasma membrane. Here we can say that this depolarization, this means it prevents polospermy. Here occurs the depolarization. It means that there is no more sperm. It prevents the polospermy. Depolarization, you should know that it means that it prevents polospermy. So as here we can say polyspermy is that here we can say entry of more than one sperm into the oocyte. Entry of more than one sperm entry of more than one sperm into the oocyte. We should remember here that only one sperm that enters into the oocyte, secondary oocyte. This is called the depolarization or polospermy. Here we should also remember that this is the, we can see here, this is the acrosomal reaction, and this is the part first of the physical and chemical events of fertilization. After that, we will go towards this is second one, and this is the cortical reaction of the this sperm and the secondary oocyte. Thank you.